everyone. We'll discuss about the revenue management and tour travel agency business. What is revenue management? So it's the art of making the most money by setting the right price at the right time for the right customers. It helps travel agencies stay financially healthy even in good times. Financial sustainability, being able to keep your business running without needing outside money. So important for both profit and non-profit business. So importance of revenue management, it helps a travel agency to survive. First is to managing price, forecasting demand, managing resource wisely. So next is the revenue source for travel agencies, commission from selling flights, tours, and hotel bookings, service charge, tour packages, partnership with hotels and transport companies. Developing revenue management, there are tips to build an RM strategies. First, know your market, like families, student, and also couples. Number 2 is set group size and cost. Number 3 is decide pricing for each group. Number 4 is add markup. The number 5 is consider season, like peak or off-peak season. Choose how to sell, like online selling or walk-in or through travel agents. First, number 7 is study booking data. Number 8 is watch trends and competitors. Kung unsay mga latest karon or unsay mga bag-o nga mga promos, like parehanang sa piso deal sa Cebu. Revenue or PATP or revenue per available tour product, measures how much money you make per tour and product. So helps you track success and adjust pricing. Distribution based on demand, sell more on high demand channels like online apps or social media. Use lower commission option to keep more profit. So markup pricing, add a profit on a top of the base price. Example, supplier rate is cost of 4,000 pesos. You sell it at 5,000 pesos. Syempre nakaginansya, dapat makaginansya jud ka kung saon nimo pag kuansay mohang pag markup pricing para di ka malkansi. Markdown pricing or lower price if a tour isn't selling well. Example, original price is 5,000 pesos. So nag-markdown siya 4,000 pesos. To ang purpose lang ana niya, bali murag gyapon siya marketing strategy para dili siya malugi gyapon sa iyang kon kay mao ra gyapon yang standard niya price. So monitor packages. First, a combination of travel services sold together, airfare, hotel tours, and etc. So mo na siya ginahanglan na jud kay mga suki nga mga or mga kanimo mga tawagan na kanang ilahang na nakay sariling suppliers kay para dili na ka pangitaglaig kon pag nanakay tour packages. Second is a cheaper than buying each part separately. So ang number 2 is example ani is para ginansya ka kinahanglan mahadyung gina separate mo ang mga to na cheaper than buying each part separately. So number 3 is niche markets like family or adventure tourist or the love packages. So,
Mabuhay ug madyaw, I am Freddy Matas, the second reporter. So, rack rate. The full price without discount often set high to make discount look better. For example, hotel rack rate is 3,000 but they offer it for the customer for 2,000. So the customer feels like they're getting a big discount. So next is seasonal pricing. Pri price change with peak and off-peak season. So prices go up and down depending on the season. So during peak times like mga holiday or festival, ang mga prices is usually high. During low season or pamanay na wala event, mo balik lang sila sa dati nila na prices. So next is last minute pricing. Lower the price just before the tour to fill empty slots. So example, if a product or service or like a tour hasn't sold close to the deadline, so ang prices mo baba gyud para lang mo avail to fill ang mga empty slots. Next is of pricing. So per person, prices based on the number of guests, usually categorized into adults, child, or mga senior citizen. Next is per unit, like mga hotel rooms na siya. So next is single occupancy. So price for one person staying alone sa isa ka room. So next is double occupancy for two people sharing a room. So next is factors affecting RM or revenue management. We have the service capacity. So sa airlines and hotels is limitado lang seats in rooms. So the second one is duration of use. How long the service lasts. The last one is the physical constraint. Only so many people can join sa isa ka tour. So next is the overbooking strategy. Accepting more booking to recover cancellation. So example, so kasagaran travel agency accept more booking than usual capacity to cover possible no show or last minute cancellation. For example, a tour has 20 slot but they book 21 people. In case of someone cancel, this avoid losses from empty seats. So next is mobile and online channels. Travel agency earn more from mobile apps and website. Online ads and instant booking option increase sales. So travel agency today is earn more through mobile apps and website, no. So mga online platform help sa mga people to book instantly. So ads and promotion sa mga Facebook, Instagram or TikTok ba can increase sales nga. So next is recovery activities. So ways to recover from losses or weak sales. So isa na diri si last minute deals. So last minute deals can boost mga booking. So last minute man is lower gid ang mga price na is daghan gid siya. Na mga tao gid mo avail na lang gid ana kay sayang pod. Next is promote bundles. So example is mga couple or mga group discount or kuan ba combination or siya. So last is partnering with influence or hotels. So kani siya is to para ma-increase ang inyong exposure sa inyong isa ka service or isa ka lugar. Mo lang to siya. Thank you.